Hello friends and welcome back to another video. Today I begin this video by saying these words. A true soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him. Though I have never learned drawing, I draw just as a hobby, but I have deep respect for our Indian soldiers, so this is for them, for all the soldiers who fight bravely at our borders so that we are safe within our country. If you like this drawing, do leave a thumbs up. So let me begin this video by telling you about our Indian Army Day, which is celebrated every year on January 15th in honor of Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa taking over as the first army chief of our country. In 1949, the title was transferred to him from the last British Army Chief of Staff, General Francis Butcher. This day is celebrated in the form of parades as well as other military shows in the national capital, New Delhi, and various other headquarters of the Indian Army. This year, we are going to celebrate the 75th Army Day in Bengaluru, Karnataka. And it's for the first time that the event is being conducted out of the national capital Delhi. Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa hails from Karnataka, so celebrating the Army Day at the native state of India's first Commander-in-Chief post-independence is a matter of pride. Apart from honoring the martyrs, a number of gallantry awards will also be given to the army personnels. Several activities such as motorcycle displays and combat free fall will be organized to inspire the younger generations. Through this drawing, I give my respect and salute to our Indian Army soldiers, and now I leave you to enjoy this speed drawing. So friends, always remember, freedom is never free. So many people have fought for it, and the things that we are enjoying today are only because there are soldiers guarding our borders so that we still remain free. So all I want from you is that let us become good citizens and have a great country. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.